Of Melo, and immediately
technical skills of the Miz got himself back on Carmelo Hayes.
To work on the apron was as well, and Eugene, watch out!
Best story of the Motor City
Here in Dublin, the three. Saving.
Well, it's easy to appreciate the work of them, but somebody who is really astute is proof positive they can get you out of a sticky situation to shine. Great job, Miz.
He comes with the left. Shelley's able to kick out as he makes his way in. Face of Shelley.
Known as exactly why is a two-time WWE.
Week after they defeated Motor City Machine Guns, earlier we heard is using Melo. He told Carmelo Hayes, entering the fray, crossbody.
Things lack of cohesion, the lack of the youngster.
David!
Ample right there. Trying to scramble up.
Now Miz in a compromise.
Too fast.
That
2-on-1 match here.
Oh! It's by Melo.
And two.
Look at the speed. Lining up the...
Of course, it is the Miz who is legal. They tag there, I don't think...
And now Melo gets involved. So fast.